I'm attorney Ben Long with RSH Legal. We've all shared Iowa's roads with semi-trucks. Because of their size and weight, these tractor trailers can cause serious damage to any vehicle they hit. The National Transportation Safety Board says truck driver fatigue may be a contributing factor in over a third of semi-truck accidents. With more trucks than ever on the road, this can mean Iowa's interstates and highways can be hazardous. The symptoms of truck driver fatigue can include swerving between lanes, tailgating other vehicles, inappropriate braking, and inconsistent speed. If you see a semi-truck driving erratically, keep as far away from them as possible and call 911. It is dangerous to be near a semi-truck that has a fatigued driver. Truckers are required by federal law to take breaks from driving. This gives their eyes and brains a chance to rest and start fresh the next time they drive. Truck drivers can drive a maximum of 11 hours in a row and no more than 60 hours in a week. These are known as hours of service rules. However, not all truck drivers will follow these rules. Each trucker is required to keep a logbook of their hours on and off the road. Historically, these books have been falsified, so the trucker can spend more time on the road than is legal. These books serve as important evidence in a semi-truck crash case. However, there is a time limit on how long the trucking company is required to keep these books. That is why it's important to speak with an experienced Iowa truck accident lawyer as soon as possible after your crash. A lawyer will send a letter to the trucking company that says they cannot destroy the evidence while your claim is being investigated. If you suspect driver fatigue was the reason for your semi-truck crash, let your attorney know as soon as possible. A knowledgeable truck accident lawyer will hire a trucking industry expert to examine your case. This expert can look over the trucker's records and examine the crash scene for signs of driver fatigue. This examination can include measuring any skid marks to see how fast the driver was going and when or if they hit their brakes, analyzing crash witness statements, and inspecting each vehicle for damage. As you can see, this is a complicated field of law, and you need an attorney who has fought hard for semi-truck crash victims. Call RSH Legal at 1-800-433-0283 and speak with one of our expert semi-truck crash attorneys today.